You were supposed to be my best friend.
You spend too much time with her. I'm your partner, not her. You have already explained yourself in those texts.
We both have lives. People waiting for us to go back to them.
Amanda! You never listen, Amanda.
But devil will be the devil, and the devil will always change.
This is always about you, isn't it?
So hold on firm to
That's not fair. I've tried to talk about this, but you're always so demanding.
Demanding? I'm only asking for a little respect. Is that too much to ask?
me, sister. Want you by my side now. I know that you're hurting, but give me one chance to show you how much I can be more than enough in your life. So give me this chance, I don't wanna make it
Look.
worse. This time I just wanna make it right. Every day, every night, no one but you.
I know I can be hard to deal with, but it's only because I care. Don't you see that?
I just feel like I'm walking on eggshells all the time. It's exhausting.
You are overreacting. I'm only trying to make things better for us. You're up early.
I'm just trying to get a hairstyle on the day.
Who was that?
It's just Jess. She's checking in.
You still talk to her?
She's a friend. Jake. She's been supportive.
You spend too much time with her. I'm your partner, not her.
Okay. Steaks on baby. Steaks. Fresh. Yeah. Ooh. Life story. Yo, I be burning in flames. I be switching in dust. My name is written the days. But I feel like every day what a be. Okay. Yo, first thing first is this. I be going as a youth. I'm getting old. I don't know where I'm going. I think I'm going to heaven, but I don't know sure. I don't know where I'm going, but I believe I'm going to heaven. This day is first. I believe in Christ.
You've been silent since morning. What's going on?
It's Amanda. I'm just tired.
Tired? What do you mean?
I mean, I love her. But it's like we're just existing together. Every day, the same argument, the same routine. We're not the same people we used to be.
You know, Jack, a relationship goes through rough time. And maybe you guys just need some time to reconnect.
It's more than that. I feel like I'm suffocating. And there is something else.
What is it?
Tags on them, baby. Getting the shit and you know I'm shipping this bitch. You know I'm driving my range, I'm feeling the neck. I'm biting my range, yo. Look.
Max, B.
Look at the crisis. The way I be in this shit, I feel like I'm going out of pilot. You don't want me being not decided. You don't want me feel uninvited. I know that I'm good at my timing. I know that I'm good with the rhyming. I'm keeping this shit, don't remind me. I'm stick with it, you cannot find me. In the bushes, I'm hitting your bitch. But be careful, cause you gon' get hit. Like a predator, I take your bitch. I'm a janitor, taking the list. Living your life in a ditch. You won't fake, you buy the best ditch. You ain't never seen life in this.
Who is Alex?
You never seen life in the Ritz. I'm getting a bitch in the week.
And why would Jake be involved with them like this?
Jake, that is very serious. And you need to tell Amanda how you're feeling.
How can I? How do I tell her that our marriage is falling apart and I've fallen for someone else?
You must be honest with her. It's not fair for any of you to keep it inside.
I know. But every time I think about it, I just freeze. What if I lose everything?
Jake, you can't keep living a lie. Either way you will hurt me. You will hurt. So you have to tell her the truth. Maybe you might get a chance to be happy again. Either together or apart.
I don't even feel like going home, man.
I know. That's deep.
I need to take care of something.
Hi,
Hey,
welcome at Mom's Hotel. What can I offer you?
what do you have to offer?
We've got some samosas, some pancakes, some donuts. We also have some beef, some gizzards,
that's
liver.
nice.
You can take them with mukimo, ugali, dao, and rice.
What can we take?
Just bring us coffee and samosa as we think what else to take.
Okay, right away.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
I didn't think we'd actually do this.
Neither did I. But here we are.
What are we doing, Jake? I mean, we both know how this will end.
Maybe it ends with us walking away. Or maybe it doesn't. But tonight is about what we feel. Not what we should do.
It's so easy for them, isn't it? No secret, no guilt, just love.
We are not like them. Maybe never will we be. But whatever we feel, it's real. Even if it's wrong.
I keep telling myself this is the last time, but every time I see you,
every stolen moment feels like the first. Like living in the world that is just us. Where nothing else matters.
Hi. Is there anything else you would like me to add?
No?
You're good.
This is perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Remember when you used to go to places where no one would recognize us? Little caves, hidden parks.
It was easy then. But this feels more real, does it? Less like a secret, more like a choice.
But it's a secret, Jake. No matter how much I want to pretend, we both have lives. People waiting for us to go back to them.
We can keep pretending tonight. Just a little longer. Let's not think about tomorrow yet.
To tonight.
To us. To us.
Hey Amanda, what's up?
Lisa, I need to talk to you.
Amanda? Are you crying? What's wrong?
I just found out that Jake is cheating on me.
What? How did you find out?
I saw the message on his phone. He has been texting another woman.
That bastard.
They were so intimate. He told her how much he loved her. He even called her his world. He even told her the things he used to say to me. And he mentioned leaving me for her.
I can't believe we do this to you.
How could I have been so blind?
Amanda, this is not your fault. You had no reason to doubt him.
I don't know what to do anymore. My whole world is falling apart.
No, take a moment to breathe. I'm here for you, babe. Do you want me to come over?
Yes, please. I don't think I can be alone.
I'm on my way.
Thank you, Lisa. I don't know what I could have done without you.
I just hope she doesn't recognize I'm that Alex.
And how will she know? And are you leaving?
I just have to go so that she won't suspect I'm that Alex.
It's okay, I'm right behind you.
Stacks on the baby. We both know that everything will be, but Never will be the devil. And the day will always change, like the rain, the sun, and the moon do. So hold on firm to the last, be there so I can. You know, baby.
Yes.
Miss you more than the light misses their life. Want you by my side now. I know that you're hurting, but give me one chance to show you how much I can be more than enough in your life. So give me this chance, I don't wanna make it worse. This time I just wanna make it right. Every day, every night, no one but you. I'm falling in love, nobody else.
We'll figure this out one step at a time. You're stronger than you think.
I just feel lost right now. I don't know what to do.
It's okay to feel lost. Just remember, you have people who love you, who will stand with you no matter what.
You were always mine, and you know I'm always yours. Please don't leave right now. So in the night, in the light, so we try so hard not to break, and I'm always gonna stand beside you, no matter in the
Hi, Lisa.
Hi.
What's wrong, Amanda?
Amanda, we'll talk later. Okay, bye.
Please, baby, just hold on. One more time, just one more strength. Just give me a chance, so don't. It doesn't matter what we do. I always wish you so safe. Baby, I promise I'll never ever giving up on you. So.
Where have you been, Lisa?
I was out with some friends and I lost track out of time. You know how it is.
Friends. Who exactly? Was it Sarah? I called all your friends and no one could tell where you were.
Okay, fine. I went out with someone to have a drink. It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal. You're lying. Sneaking around at night. And you want me to believe you? Lisa, who is he?
It's someone from work. We had a project to discuss about, and I didn't see the word of mentioning it.
Work project at the bar in that dress. So, you think I'm stupid? Do you think I'm stupid, Lisa?
It was not supposed to happen like this, Mike. I needed a break. From us. From everything. I never meant for this to go this far.
A break it is. Huh? Running at a man when things are not okay. Lisa. Marriage is sticking it out together, not getting distractions when life gets messy.
I know I messed up. But we are drifting apart. I feel lost. I swear I never wanted to hurt you.
You already have. You have hurted me, Lisa. You have made a choice, and choices have consequences. Now, the big question is, where do we go from here? I'm talking to you, Lisa.
Stacks on the baby.
Are you done yet?
I'm sorry. I just don't know what to do anymore.
You're always sorry. Do you even know what you want?
I want us to be okay. But I don't know how to fix things.
Maybe you need to figure out that on your own.
I know that you're hurting, but give me one chance to show you how much I can be more than enough in your life. So give me this chance, I don't wanna make it worse. This time I just wanna make it right. Every day, every night, no one but you. I'm falling in love, nobody else. No, nobody else. Please just don't walk away now. So in the night and in the light, I call out your name 100 times. 'Cause I know you are mine and I'm yours forever. Promise you, I know I'm not good at keeping promises, but you know I'm gonna try this time. And you know you were always mine, and you know I'm always yours. Please don't leave
What are you doing?
I'm leaving. Check. I need to go. I need to figure out who I am without all these chores.
Don't do this. We can fix it. Just give me a chance.
We have been through this before. I need to go. I need to find out myself again.
If you leave now, don't come back.
I need to go.
Stacks and baby. We both know that everything will be, but never will be.
It's been tough. You know, sometimes I wonder if I made the right decision. Leaving him. I loved him. But he was so cold, so distant. You did your best, Amanda. You can't stay with someone who doesn't value you. I know. But it hurts. I always wondered if there was something going on with that Alex. Or someone made him change so much. Do you think he was cheating on me? I doubt it. You're just overthinking, Amanda. He isn't worth your energy anymore.
Yeah. Now I'm in my knees trying to beg you to stay. But would you love me the same way I did? No matter what, I try to make you feel right. No matter what I do, it's never enough. Would you stay one more time? Mm. And I try to make you feel
I don't know, but I know I'm on my knees. Oh, just say one night, just say one night. Please make sure you are near me. Oh, no. Love is getting fitter. Don't know why you keeping away from me, but I sing melody, melody in my head. Melody, melody in my head.
What? Lisa? Lisa and Jake? Were they together? No. No. This is why they've been treating you. So Lisa is the cause. No, it can't be true. She can't do this to me. So Lisa and Jake.
Extra would you say if I love you? Love is not enough. When it's only you can give, it's not enough. And I know it's not enough. It's not enough when you can love somebody. I hold it and they don't give you back. It's Jackson, baby.
I miss you. I miss your touch. I miss being around you, hearing your laugh and holding your hand. I think of you every day. I hope and I wish that you're doing okay. I want us to go back to the old days because I miss you. And I just thought of you, so I thought I'd call you to tell you that you crossed my mind, and I took that as a sign that I should call and say hi. So that's all. Hi.
You say, you promise now. I'm a bit over, yeah. So easy love, so I we shine, yeah. I've been having on the cold nights, cold vibes all night, my mind. Thinking I could be like on fire. All I know, I'm a cold vibe. Yeah, I'm feeling all the cold vibes. Cold night, all alone by my side. Don't wanna do, but I feel right. All right, I'm gonna be alright. Baby, have you know? Wait a minute, what you gonna call me right now? No, yeah, I said no. Voicemail on my phone. I don't know what you need, but you know phone. Phone me later. Boy, what you know right now. Back it up, man, sometime. I'm a new boy in town. Don't know what you mean right now, but I got no nosebleed. Thinking about you, I got nosebleed. Thinking of you, I got nosebleed. I got voicemail on my phone. Don't know what you're thinking. Maybe later you may come over. Maybe we can have some chicken. Maybe don't. I can take you to ice cream day. Yeah, would you come over?
You come over, tell me what you mean, tell me what you thinking, baby. Tell me what you want, tell me what you want, tell me what you want. I know that you're feeling me, you're feeling me. I know that you wanted me, you wanted me. That's why every time you sending me, always know, yes, why you sending me, always know, It's cold in the winter. No, I don't want to hurt. I'm a bit over, yeah. So we see love, yeah. Say it's a winter, summer, you know summer. Sunlight, summer, it's the cold of summer, baby. I need you. And my back by my side, and you know, baby, you know what you're thinking.
Hi, Amanda.
Yeah, Lisa.
Are you okay?
Can we meet at our usual place?
Oh, okay. I'm on my way. Okay, fine. Mike. I'm going to meet with Amanda.
Hey.
Hey man, you're up for beer? No, we haven't hung out for a while.
Yeah, I was actually thinking the same thing.
Okay, how about you swing by in an hour?
I'll be there in a minute, bro.
Hi, what's up, Amanda?
How long? Lisa? How long have you and Jake been sneaking around behind my back?
I don't know what you're talking about. Amanda, I'm sorry. It was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to happen like this.
A mistake? You were supposed to be my best friend. How could you do this to me? After everything I've been through with him, I thought you were the one person I could trust.
I was weak, okay? It meant nothing. Please forgive me, Amanda.
You did not just betray me once. You betrayed me every single time you looked me in the eyes and lied. You knew how broken I was. And you still did this to me. You know what? We are done. The two of you deserve each other.
Nah, yeah. Now I'm in my knees, trying to beg you to stay. But would you love me the same way I did? No matter what, I try to make you feel alive. No matter what I do, it's never enough. Would you stay one more time? And try to make you feel. I don't know, but now I'm in on my knees. Oh, please just say one night. Please just say one night. Please make sure you are near me. Oh no, love is getting fitter. Don't know why you keep it.
Hey, how you doing, my G? You seem off, bro. Everything good?
See, funny you're gonna ask about that. Lately I've been thinking a lot, and it's about trust, loyalty. Like everything about, you know, something like that.
Uh, yeah. What's on your mind?
Well, you're gonna ask me about this? I guess now you know.
Mike,
For how long have you been doing this?
Man, we never planned for this to happen.
How long?
6 months.
What? 6 months? I trusted you. You are my best friend, and she's my everything. Jake, how could you do this to me?
I'm sorry, Mike. I was weak. And Lisa, she was unhappy. We never planned for this to happen.
So you took advantage of her because she was unhappy. You are supposed to be my friend, bro.
Mike, what's going on?
Why don't you tell her?
Mike, I can explain.
Explain? You have already explained yourself in those texts. Lisa. Lisa. We were to build life together. You are my wife, Lisa.
I'm sorry. I was lonely. You were so focused on work, Mike. I felt, I don't know, lost. I never meant to hurt you.
Your answer was to betray me with one person I call my brother. Do you have any idea of how it feels like?
Mike. We can fix it. We can move past this somehow.
Jack, you don't get it. You don't get it. You don't get it, bro. Do you? Trust isn't something you can just fix it back together. You see, you both killed it the moment you decided that I do not matter. Yes! No. I need both of you out of my life. Go!
Mike.
Go before I do something which I'll regret.
Mike.
Go, guys. Go!
Yeah. You say, you promise now. I'm a bit over, yeah. So easy love, so I we shine, yeah. I've been having on a cold night, cold vibes all night, my mind. Thinking I could be like on fire. All I know, no, I'm a cold vibe. Yeah, I'm feeling mighty cold vibe. Cold night, all I know, by my side. Do what I wanna do, but I feel right. All my heart gonna be alright, baby. Have you done? Wait a minute.
No, Amanda. Enough with the crying. You are a strong woman. I need to put an end to this. Hello. I need your help. Yeah. Okay.
I got nosebleed, I got voicemail on my phone. Don't know what you're thinking, maybe later you may come over. Maybe we can have some chicken, maybe don't. I can take your transcript data. Yeah, would you come over?